What's up guys? As you may have seen, the all-new Baseline series is live. We're gonna bring you some good in-depth walkarounds of each of the 3 new models, but I don't wanna leave you hanging, so we're gonna give you a preview of those today. Starting off, we have the HDU. It's a 14 or 16 foot dump on an 8-inch I-beam platform, available in GVWRs of 14,000 or 16,000 pounds. And don't forget that telescopic lift on the front. Next, we're moving to the HTL. It's a 3/4 tilt, so you got your stationary up front, tilt bed, gravity tilt bed out back, available in 20 to 24 foot lengths, again, 14 or 16,000 pound GVWR. And rounding out the trifecta, we've got the HEQ in the equipment trailer with the 2-foot dub, 5-foot ramps, again, available in 14 and 16,000 GVWR, 20 and 22 foot. All 3 available in black or gray with that same DM coating system that comes on the Diamond C product, as well as that automotive grade wiring. Jump on diamondc.com, you can view more there about the Baseline, and again, watch for those videos to come.